Hey guys, my name is Mackenzie Hansen, and today I am going to walk you through my short-term career goals as well as my long-term career goals. So for my short-term career plan is that I want to be a substance abuse counselor, and this actually started, this was my original reason to go back to school. I originally wanted to just be a counselor. I wanted to help people who are struggling with their addiction, whether it be to alcohol, opiates, meth, you name it. I just wanted to be able to help people. So the requirements for that is that I just need a bachelor's in psychology, and then after that I need a SEDC certification, which I will be able to go through Clark College. And I chose Clark College just because the way that the program works out, I will never need to take additional classes if I ever were to move outside of Washington State, which is really nice. And this relates to my 4-year plan. Originally, this was my goal. This was what I originally really wanted to do. And I still really want to do it. But more than anything, I just want to make sure that I'm doing what I love as I'm trying to get through school. After this, I'll talk to you about my long-term goal. But I want to be a PA, and that's not going to be easy. And I want to make sure that as a kind of a side job that I'm doing something that I love and something that'll make me happy rather than something that's just going to stress me out. So this is going to be the sociology part of chapter 13. And this isn't a big surprise to me. I knew that growing up my entire life, I just wanted to help people. That's all I ever wanted to do. And I feel like being able to talk to somebody about their problems, talk to somebody about their addictions, help them with any kind of issues that they have, help them to better understand their addiction. Those kinds of things make a huge difference in their lives, because if they can understand why they're addicted, if they can understand their past experiences and how that has either caused them to use or whatever it may be, there are answers to the questions and doubts that they have. And if I can be a part of that, and if I can help them in that aspect, that's going to be huge for me. My long-term goal and my long-term career plan is to be a PA working for Ideal Option. Now, Ideal Option is a Suboxone clinic, and it helps people who struggle with addiction to opiates. So whether it be heroin, hydrocodone, oxycodone, they do everything there. They also help patients who struggle with addictions to alcohol. And so to become a PA, I need a bachelor's of science, and then I need a master's degree in a physician's assistant studies. And I chose to work with Ideal Option because they are the reason why I fell in love with addiction recovery. They're the reason why I fell in love with working with the underdogs. I have always been, ever since I started working there, I've been loyal to them. And I will always be loyal to them. So as a PA working at Ideal Option, I will, under the direction of an actual physician, I will assess the patients. I'll help them with the addictions that they're struggling with. We'll go over how the medication is working for them. We'll talk about their needs and how they feel they're doing, and we help them with kind of whatever else that they stand in need of. And this is also this is the end all be all for me. This is my ultimate career goal. This is where I want to be, and that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. And a PA, because it's so generic, I know that there are going to be other fields that I'm going to work in, and so a PA is just a perfect, it's kind of a perfect outlet in to other fields of study. And so, but right now my start is going to be on addiction recovery, and this is also just the sociology aspect of chapter 13. And I kind of already went over it, but why I'm choosing to major in psychology is because I want to help people. I want to make a difference, and I want to help others recognize who they are and their significance in this life. I feel like everybody is a child of God, and everybody deserves to know that. I can't talk about that because it's not allowed, but I can help them to at least understand a little bit better of who they are and what they deserve. And I want to learn. I want to keep growing. I want to know why I think the way that I think and why others think the way that they think as well. So that is why I am majoring in psychology, and that is my career plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.